Well, hello, happy campers. Are you feeling a little keyed up? Oh, sorry. The puns started early this time. I want to talk about our new RVLock keyless entry system. This is now our third one of these, and I've noticed the company just keeps making these better and better and better. So this one we bought at the Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV Show. They were having a special. We do have a link down in the show notes, which will take you to an article about this, where you can get a deal on these yourself. But this is the latest of these RV locks, and compared to previous ones, there are a number of things that I've noticed that they've done, but most importantly, they're so easy to install. So while you're not having to watch me, I'll show you the installation video of me. Oh well, sorry. But installing this thing at the Quartzsite show, and all I needed was a screwdriver. So, but a few highlights of these RV locks. First of all, it's a keyless lock, so you don't have to bring your keys with you. And if you go out for a hike or on a boat or heck, hot air balloon, you don't have to necessarily have keys to your RV. Something I've noticed about the company is that, well, really it's the products. They just keep getting better. We bought our first one, and it was a pretty small company at that time, and the products were good, but there were some issues, and they made good on those issues. So that says a lot about them. But then the newest one we bought, what an improvement in quality. The handle is metal. They're pretty much all metal parts. It's just not a big change on the inside here. Let me get my big head out of the way. You have your manual lock, so for your deadbolt. This handle is also metal instead of plastic. So it's a big improvement on what is shipped with the RV. And that's something, especially on some of the Class C's, the locks that you get are just junk. And this is not. It's a super easy installation. So here inside you have a switch to turn the remote receiver on and off. On and on? That's my sentences are on and on. And here's the remote receiver, and this is a big improvement too. This is also metal, and they're just better buttons. So you can lock and unlock if you do bring the remote with you. You can also lock and unlock with a proper key if you want to do that. So lots of options. I like coming up and just typing in my key number. You can program your own number in the keypad, by the way. So you type in the number that you remember, and bing, bang, boom. And it used to be these things were really noisy. So you type in your number and it'd go, and it was everyone in the campground knew you were going in and out of your RV. This has changed a lot. Watch this. Okay, I just discovered a feature. So without typing in your number code, you can press the lock button and it doesn't respond. So you have to, I'm not going to type the number code because I don't want you guys stealing my beer, but you have to type in the number code to lock and unlock this RV lock, or the remote, or the key. So all up to you, but the sound is it's not that loud sound, as I said, so watch this. And it even talks to you when you're setting it up. Setting it up was really easy to program the remote and all of that. So just, it's a very good product, and the company is here in the U.S. in Utah, and I've found their support has been outstanding. So good people to deal with, a good product, and that's my review. Hey, if you want the full written review along with tips, tricks, ideas, destinations, and more, plus we do a weekly RV and travel podcast, check us out at the link below or at our home on the web at stresslesscamping.com. Stressless camping. Well, I guess I got that locked up.